Students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Last video it was given technique 3. Again we consider same technique and some problems. In technique 3, number 1, if x is a% more than y, then y is a by 100 plus a into 100% less than of x. And a is a% less than y, then y is a by 100 minus a into 100% more than x. So if it is a is more than, then y will be less than, and if it is a is less than, then y will be more than. More than means formula is same. If this is plus, then less, this is minus, then we get more. So this is our formula. Now here we consider one problem. If income of Ravi is 20% more than that of Ram, then income of Ram is how much percent less than that of Ravi? The option given 16 and 2 by 3%, 16%, 16 and 1 by 3%, and 80%. So these are the option. Now here this and first problem same. How many percent? A is 20, and so we have to use this formula. So here A means 20. Therefore we get the formula A by 100 plus A into 100%. A means 20, 100 plus 20 into 100%. So 20 by 120 into 100%. So this will be this 0 cancel, this one 6 cancelling by 2 3, this is 50, then 50 by 3, then this will be 16 2 by 3. So this is our answer. So answer is 16 2 by 3. Option A, this is the correct option. So the problem given, then the income of Ram, how much percent less than of Ravi? So this percent will be 16 and 2 by 3% less than of Ravi. So this is the answer. Next we consider another problem of the same types. In an examination, the marks obtained by Preeti is 20% less than that of Vandana. Then marks obtained by Vandana is how much percent more than marks obtained by Preeti? So this one first given examination, the marks obtained by Preeti is less than means this formula. A means 20, and this marks obtained by Bandhana is how much percent more than. That means using this formula, this and this same. So solution here, A equal to 20. Therefore our formula is A by 100 minus A into 100%. This is A means 20, this is 100 minus 20 into 100%. We get this one. This is 20 by 80 into 100%. This is 4 and 4, this is 25. This is 25%. So answer is 25%. Option B is our answer. Very easy solution. Consider another technique in shortcut method. Technique 4. If the value of a number is first increased by a percent and later decrease by a percent. First increase and next decrease. Then the net effect is always a decrease which is equal to a percent of a. So if first time increase, next decrease, but same, a percent is increase, a percent decrease, then the net effect is always decrease. This will be decrease and which is equal to a percent of a, and written as a percent of a means a into a percent, that means a percent into a, that means a square by 100%, and this is a by 10 whole square percent. This is our formula. So we have this main formula, answer is a by 10 whole square into percentage. Now one problem we consider, the salary of a worker is first increased by 5% and then it is decreased by 5%. First is increase, next decrease. What is the change in his salary? So change we have to find. Solution directly we have to using this formula. Here a equal to 5. Therefore a square by 100, not this one, a by 10 whole square percent. So by formula you know this will be decrease, so this is decrease percentage. Decrease percentage equal to a by 10 whole square, or we can write the value of a is 5 by 10 whole square. This is 1 by 2 whole square, this is 1 by 4, this is 0 point. So this percent we have to write here, this is percent, and this is 1 by 2 whole square percent, and this will be 1 by 4%, this is 0.25%. So this is our answer. So decrease percentage equal to 0.25%. So option A is our correct option. Very nice solution and very easy also. Consider another problem. Income of Suman is first increased by 7% and then it is decreased by 7%. What is the change in her income? So this is the problem given. Now the option given, 0.4% increase, 0.39% decrease, 0.39% increase, 0.49% decrease. So by our formula, the net effect is always decrease given. It cannot be increase. So by KBC, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? We know 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance means this increase will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. So next chance is 0.39% and 0.49%. Among these, between these two, we get our result. These two already cancelled because our by definition the net effect is always, if a person is increase, a person is decrease, then net effect is always decrease. This will be decrease. It cannot be increase. So to cancel, A and C cancel, answer option either B or D is our option. Now solution here, A equal to 7. Therefore, decrease percentage A by 10 whole square percent. A means 7, this is 10 whole square percent. this one 49 by 100%, and this is 0.49. So this is 0.49%. So decrease percentage is equal to 0.49. So option D, 0.49% decrease. Obviously this will be decrease. You have to remember this. So this type of problem is very easy and very interesting. So these are very easy, very simple, very interesting. So I hope you are all enjoying with this type of problem. If you are enjoying, then please like this video. If not enjoying, then no need to like this. Just if you are enjoying, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel for getting new videos, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.